Stay there. You.
I got him.
Stay, Magoo.
I got him.
Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, let's go. You okay? Here. You okay? You okay? No. Let's go. We're gonna slide some more.
Okay. I'll make a snow angel right over there, okay?
Okay.
Right there on
She's
top.
gonna make a snow angel, Mom.
Okay.
Here's my town.
Yes! We're almost at the top. I know we're almost at the top. Yeah, we're at the top. Okay. I see how I do a snow angel.
We'll go down.
Okay, show me how you do a snow.
No. Come over here, honey. Look. Come over here. No. You can't go over here.
There we go.
Come over here.
I can't get up.
Come over here where there's no disturbance. Right here. See right here where there's no footprints? Now go stay here. There you go.
There's
What are you making?
A snow angel.
A snow angel.
Okay.
Okay, come here. I'm gonna help you up. Okay, try not to step in it. Oh, look at that snow angel. Is that ever neat, eh?
Yeah.
Your gloves okay?
Yes.
Okay, you want to slide one more time?
Yeah, this one to my neck.
Oh.
One more time.
Oh.
Why? Does Mattel and Nick need the exercise?
Yes.
No,
No.
you look at Mattel and can say that.
Puppy.